how being the authority helped me to navigate one of the most spiritually difficult weeks of my life. So for those of you that know me, I am definitely on this journey to transmute the dark into light, to clear energy, to clear entities, and to work with my clients are the same, work with all aspects of the quantum field, all energies, and look at the dark and the light, both within us and in the energies around us, and clear the dark. But I did not know how deep this initiation would go when I had the darkest energies that I've ever had to deal with in my life. So I'm not going to share the specifics of what happened, but if you think about the darkest of the dark, that is what I had to deal with. And at the same time, I did not have full permission from whose space it was, where these dark energies were, to fully clear it all out. So normally in these scenarios, I would go in guns blazing and clear completely the energy. But I couldn't do that. And I was faced with the darkest energies I've ever had to deal with. And what got me through that experience, and what meant that I was not affected by that, both in the moment and afterwards. So my emotions were not affected. So in the past, when I've dealt with not as bad energies, I've been really taken down by it, and my emotions have been affected days later. But I've now been in that place of building that power and authority. So the way that I was dealing with these energies was I am the most powerful entity here. I have a human body and you cannot mess with me. So I went in with that energy. I cleared what I could. I kept myself clear. I kept myself protected. I was in my power that whole entire time. And this has shifted and changed everything. So if you are going through this on an energetic level or on a human level, where things are coming in and they are dark and they are trying to bring you down, just know that by navigating this in your power and authority is going to be, as I said, bring you down. I literally lost my Wi-Fi connection. That's so weird, but not. So being in your power and authority and knowing that you are the most powerful energy, that your body has all of the answers, that everything exists inside of you, and you have the power to deal with whatever life throws at you. This is the authority, this is the power, and this is what moves you through into amazing, amazing space.